siya, hindi pala naka-on. Ay, hinog oh. Yellow. Hinog. Ang dami ng hinog. Ito pa oh. Tapos may ano. Ahas!
Meron pa rin.
Okay na to. Sarap dito. Ito lang ang prutas natin na nena. Ngayon, grapes, apple, orange,
Lychee.
lychee, cranberry, blueberry. Ay, may talbos din pala dito, Tiana. Nakuha kami ng ano, may nakita akong ano, kurumbot. Kurumbutan. Kailan mo pa ito tinanim, te? Kailan mo pa ito tinanim? Nalimutan mo na. Ano bang kinukuha nyo lang? Talbos lang? O ay, inaano niya, pinuputol? Ha? Ay, putang iris yan. Ganun ba? Tinalbosan ko. Pinatong ko dun kurumbot, be. Ay, pagtanim, huwag tatalbusan. Ah, sorry.
At dito ako mamaya. Sa dulo ko. Sa may gawin nila Chalinta. Asim!
Tirik mo mo?
Kaasim.
Pati mo.
Makapigan ka?
Galing-galingan mo dyan, Rosalinda. Hilaw. Ba't kasi kinaano ang hilaw? Ang daming bunga. Ito. Hindi kaya ito nabilad? Tamis. Tamis niya. Tagal ko na din nakakain ito. Siguro 20 years na. Ha? May alambre ba na? Meron nga alambre dyan. Hindi mo nakita? Si ate ay nanango ng talbos. Hilaw. Hilaw. Mukha na ang foreigner sa ilong ko. Hayop yan. Ay! What's this? I don't know what is this. It's so yucky. Hayop yan. Zach, look.
What are those?
This is a fruit.
Can I eat it?
Try it.
I'm not trying it. Is it poisonous?
No, it's a fruit. I ate it.
What is that?
It's like cherry.
And a pumpkin? Never eat that.
What is that? That's a bike. Ha? Sa araw pa?
Hello? Dito ko yan?
Ay! May motor. There's a bike. Ay! Si Ate Edith pala. Yeah, we're gonna. Be, punta muna ka tayong dagat. Habang nung ko sa ate. Just ask. Let's go. Ah.
Yeah.
Chuen, dyan, dyan, be.
Mama,
Mm.
do you know why that makes me scared?
They make you what?
Do you know why it makes me scared?
Why?
It barked at me and it was running at me.
The dog.
Yeah, it was like gonna like bite me.
Did you eat? Hindi. Hindi.
Did you throw
Bro, what? Bye.
the fruit?
What?
Hawag ka.
No. I didn't get one. No.
No. Don't eat it.
Why?
This is your first time you're gonna eat it. You might get in
You might be allergic to
allergic.
it.
Yeah.
What is
Punta kami
it?
dagat pala.
What's it called?
Hmm?
What's it called?
Kurumbot.